Impeccable 3206. Let's do this thing. We are going to randomize this list 5 times. This is a list of 20 teams. The team on top at the end will go to person spot 1 team. On the bottom will go to person in spot number 20. Here we go. 5 times. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Actually, I need that open. You idiot. 4. And 5. Top is West Bromwich. Bottom is Man United. That's 5 times. Jeez, good team to get in for last. Jeez, imagine getting the last 2 spots and picking up Arsenal and Man U. Oh, wait, Joe Adami just did that. All right, good luck, Joe. All righty. Here we go. Yeah, big thick boy. Come on. Oh, big thick boy. There he is. We're going to open that one up first. Are we getting gold? For West Bromwich to 29, Darnell Furlong, rookie. Nice. Nice little rookie gold silver bar. For West Bromwich. Oh, 1/1 on the back. It is a printing plate, but, you know, whatever. I was all like, whatever. Oh, sorry, I should be doing this as we go. You idiot, Blake. Big dumb. First up, Darnell Furlong to 29. That is for West Bromwich. Who's got West Bromwich, Tabby? Spot 1, Paul DeAngelis. Nice hit there for Paul. Who do you reckon our 1/1 is? Next up to 75, Isaac Hayden for Newcastle. Newcastle in.
I never knew that happened.
Yeah. What? Newcastle is in spots. Yeah, there's a few throwback ones in there. I can't see Newcastle. What the? There's 20. Spot 5, Thammerong Wong Sirisip. Oh, come on, dickhead.
You never see him in that team.
Because he's been in. Does it say when? I can't, because I cannot remember. Next up, 1/1, Calvin Phillips for Leeds United. Nice little hit there for Leeds. 1/1 printing plate blue. Spot 8. Brendan Wakeford, congratulations.
Who was it? Callum Robertson?
Calvin Phillips.
Oh.
You an
Why
idiot?
did I say Callum Robertson?
I have no idea.
What am I thinking about? Callum Robertson, obviously.
Leeds United, Brendan Wakeford. You'll be happy about the old combination there, because I realised Tabby had 2 breaks up of the exact same type. One I just hadn't touched. Like it was 300 breaks old and hadn't looked at it.
Oh. Flip through the old...
Yeah, must have. And I just listed breaks around it, sort of thing. Up next for Liverpool, it is a jersey to 49 of VVD. Liverpool FC. Who's got Liverpool, Tabby? It's spot 2 to Daniel Boardman. Boardman gets paid. Remember when Kawhi said that? Or someone said that about Kawhi? I can't remember.
I do.
Okay, well, I don't know that. Here we go. Rookie autographs. Card 2. Curtis Jones. Who does Curtis Jones play for? Is it Man U? I can't remember. Not Curtis Stone. Curtis Jones for Liverpool. Liverpool, who I've just checked. Spot 2, Daniel Boardman. Boardman gets paid. Up next for Leicester, Kasper Schmeichel to 49. Not a bad little hit there of old Schmeichel. You a fan of Casper Schmeichel, Tabby? Leicester is in spots 14 to Vince West. And good having a last name that goes on the back. That makes my life very easy. On-card auto to 99 for Man City of Aymeric Laporte. 84 and 99. Who's got Man City? Spot 11. Spiros Rambanis. And don't go too far because 6 of 8. Why? Illustrious auto of Vincent Kompany. Jeez, he's actually everywhere. Wow. So obviously 8. 6 of 8. Like it looks like just a base card with an auto.
Yeah.
Also for Spiros. Congratulations, Spiros. And that is that for 3-2.